gate closed?
You can if you'd like. Can you do that for me?
Sure.
Thank you. Awesome. Almost to the top.
Catch your camera when it falls, Leroy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dangling around. It's gonna be a great view.
Yeah.
Welcome to Balcony House. You made it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Woo! Fist bump.
New York?
You gonna be guest?
Huh?
Yeah. It's gonna be a little tight squeeze through there, so I'm gonna get stuff back afterwards.